Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all went and having a great day. Now we're on our way to IKEA and maybe Primark, but I remember last time we came to IKEA I actually filmed the intro in the car as well. So this is a bit like deja vu. It's our first trip to IKEA since lockdown, so we're going to take you with us on a come shop with me or come shop with us, and I might have a little shopping haul to show you later. So see you soon. So keep tuned. See you soon. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I know this was a short come shop with me video for IKEA and Primark. There is going to be a follow-up to this video, which I'm going to call part 2, where I'm going to actually do it as a vlog kind of style video, incorporate the mini shopping haul of the items that we picked up from both IKEA and Primark. So keep tuned for those. Make sure your notification bells are switched on, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all on the next video. So take care, hope you're all well. Bye.